Welcome to Amazing World Channel.
Berlin, high winds have swept through northern Germany, knocking down trees that killed at least 2 people and causing widespread flight and train delays and cancellations. Authorities in Hamburg warned residents Thursday to stay inside after a tree fell on a car and killed a woman, police told the DPA news agency. A truck driver was also killed near Rostock when a tree hit his vehicle. In Berlin, where winds reached up to 120 kph (75 miles per hour), flights were temporarily grounded at the city's 2 airports, and much of the public transportation system was shut down. Regional trains were also closed down in several northern states because of the danger from branches over the tracks.